What is the crack? My name's Rusty Bartender. Welcome back to the channel. This cocktail is the White Negroni and it is the last gin cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. And if you are new here, then we are making every single cocktail in Steve the Bartender's cocktail guide. Let's go, let's get to it. The White Negroni is a cocktail created by British bartender Wayne Collins. He was in Bordeaux, France at the time, and he didn't have access to Campari and sweet vermouth needed to make the classic Negroni. In their place, he substituted the French aperitifs Suze, which is a gentian liqueur, and Lillet Blanc. This gives it a more woody, earthy drink, and it's less bitter than the traditional Negroni. This is a really easy recipe to remember. We've got 2 ounces of our gin, 1 ounce of Lillet Blanc, then 3/4 of an ounce of our Suze. We're gonna give this a quick stir for about 20 seconds. It says in Steve's book to express an orange peel just over the top of the glass. I don't actually have one today. Rookie mistake by me, but then after that, garnish with a lemon twist. If you've got the orange peel, use it. There you go, folks. This is the White Negroni. Let's give it a little sip, see what's going on in the glass. Oopsie-daisies. Yeah, interesting. Kind of get this round my head, my taste buds. It's definitely not as bitter as a Negroni. The gentian from the Suze gives it a really sort of earthy sort of flavor. It's not unlike, you know, the sort of flavors you get from maybe beetroot or rhubarb, if you know what I'm talking about. Sort of earthy dirt notes, is that what you'd call it? Anyway, there you go, folks. Don't know if I explained that very well. The White Negroni, give it a little go, see what's going on in the glass. Cheers.